Hey, what's up everyone? So here's a quick tutorial on how to add number on your page in Word. So let's get started. Oh, sorry. So let's go to insert. This is just example. So I use page break to give another page. And then let's go to here, page number. If you wanted to top, bottom, page margins or current position, you can do it. So let's try to go to top page. So here's one. I'll try to use this bracket. Okay, so that is page 1, and then here's the page 2. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep safe, guys.